Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to post GIFs on Instagram stories. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the stories section. Let's say I'm heading over to Reel. So I'm heading over to this paper plane icon, tapping on add to story. And here is the option of sticker. Tap on it, and here you will find search option. So search for any GIF like flower. So these are the emojis and these are the GIFs. So you can find it from here. It takes a bit time to get load due to internet connection. So once it gets done, you can just add them from here. So let me show you from the back. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.